Good evening, everybody. Today on this lesson, we are going to talk about subject pronouns. Subject pronouns, we can use it in order we mention or we name a personal name. For example, Maria, Hugo, Cristina. Okay, so the first pronoun it's I. I is to talk about just only me. Okay, me in this case Jose Manuel or the teacher. The second one is he, it to talk about a boy, a man, whatever you want, but this in this case, uh, male. The next one is she. She is to talk about a lady, a female. Okay. The next one is it. Here you have a pet or a dog and a ball. Why? Because it we are going to use for animals and for objects. Animals can be cats, fish, whatever animal you can imagine. On objects like it could be table, glass, fan, computer. I don't know. Okay. If you want to talk about animals or objects, you're going to use it. The next one is we. We, it's everybody, including me. Yes. So, for example, we are going to go to the party. Everybody is going to the party. We. The next one is you. You, it's everybody but not me. You are going to go to the party, but me, myself, I'm going to go. You, it's to talk about another group of person. And the last one is they. For example, if I am with Luis and we are talking about the whole group, we can mention they are going to go to the party. They, Luis and me, no, but they, yes, they are going to go. So this is this is all for this video. Remember, we talk about subject pronouns. Subject pronouns, we use it to avoid mention a personal name. Okay, thank you.